Welcome back to another video. Luxury makeup is a hit or miss, but are these YSL blushes worth the price? Let's find out. These are the YSL Make Me blushes and they come in satin and matte finishes. Here I have one matte and two satin finishes. Let's have a closer look at this beautiful packaging. It is so sleek and luxurious, and the compact itself is beautifully detailed with that iconic YSL logo. These blushes claim to be lightweight and buildable. The matte finish is infused with squalene that helps blur the imperfections on your skin and reduce the appearance of pores. And then we have the satin finish, which is actually made out of antioxidant rose hip, which then helps give you that really beautiful, healthy glow. For the matte shade, I have the shade Berry Bang. And then for the satin shade, I'm going to try the shade Restless Rose. Let's do a side-by-side comparison. I'm going to start off with the shade 54, which is Berry Bang. This is the matte shade. Now, looking at it right away, the pigment is absolutely stunning. As I have no blush on this side, you can really see that juxtaposition side by side, and my goodness, this is really stunning. I actually have oily skin, so I love a matte finish, and wow, you can see that it's buildable. I just went in with the second layer. It's getting more and more pigmented as I build upon it. I can tell you for sure I see a little bit more shine here than I do here, so yes, it definitely claims to blur the pores. Next up we have shade 93. This is the satin finish. This way we'll be able to compare how the finishes are side by side. It's in the shade Restless Rose. For first impressions, I'm really loving this shade, and what I am seeing here honestly is that it has a component of a highlight to a blush that's almost like a blush lighter, I would say, because I can see these little gold, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's really giving me that instant highlight plus blush, and I am here for it. I am definitely here for it. Now I'm on to the last shade, and this is shade 44. Shade 44 here, as I'm looking, is called Nude Lavalier. Okay, I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. Please don't make fun of me. I'm gonna layer this on the matte, or do those two finishes work together? Here we go. Oh yes, I am instantly seeing that glimmer coming back into the cheek and adding that really gorgeous radiant glow back into my cheek, just like this one does. And what I like is that this shade in particularly really does complement the Berry Bang shade. Now what I will say is I was actually scared that the matte finish might have some kind of dry and cakiness, but it didn't. It actually looked matte while keeping my skin blurred, and the satin finish is really definitely giving me that healthy radiance. Are these worth the hype? Heck yes, they are. If you liked this video, then be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification so that you do not miss my videos. Till the next video, stay glam everybody.